Truck lovers, get ready. Toyota has confirmed what we already suspected. The new Tacoma will have a hybrid drivetrain, and it will be available soon. A Tacoma Hybrid is allegedly being prepared by Toyota and will go on sale in 2024. Toyota is addressing some significant criticisms with the departing model, which has greater power and economy than its predecessor. In this episode, we'll investigate if the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid will be a game-changer by closely investigating what to anticipate when it hits the market. Among all the new trucks coming out in the next few years, the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma may be the most highly anticipated. Sales of the midsize truck have always been strong and the Tacoma is more well-liked than ever. Tacomas are built with excellent quality, and their outrageous resale values haven't changed. However, almost everyone who adores the Tacoma wishes it could be better in some way. This may be in the shape of more performance to compete with rivals like the Jeep Gladiator Rubicon and the Colorado ZR2, a more roomy and more livable interior, or improved fuel efficiency with a hybrid or even electric powertrain. Toyota is therefore under extreme pressure to ensure that the 2024 Tacoma offers more of what consumers desire while maintaining the qualities that make the Taco so outstanding today. Here is everything we currently know about the design of the Toyota Tacoma's fourth generation when it debuts in 2024. The iForce Max Hybrid V6 will be available in the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. Toyota released the first teaser image of the upcoming 2024 Tacoma. The teaser revealed that at least the TRD Pro variant will be available with the 3.5-liter, actually, 3.4-liter, iForce Max V6 hybrid engine used in the Tundra and Sequoia. The iForce Max produces 437 horsepower and a huge 583 pound-foot of torque when paired with the Tundra. It's probable that the Tacoma model will be slightly detuned to sit below the Tundra. What other powertrain options will the Toyota Tacoma have in 2024? Now that we know, the iForce Max V6 will be the top engine. That's an exciting discovery. The Tacoma was said to have two additional engine options in earlier reports from the fast lane truck. The first one is the base gas engine, which is probably the new 2.4-liter inline-4 turbocharged Toyota employed in the Highlander. The Highlander's engine produces 265 horsepower and 309 pound-feet of torque. Tacoma tweaking might bring it closer to the Lexus NX's 275 horsepower and 317 pound-feet of torque. The Hybrid Max engine Toyota employed in the new Toyota Crown is a different engine option listed. The 2.7-liter inline-4 that GM is installing in the new Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon produces 340 horsepower and 400 pound-foot of torque, so this engine would be competitive. Here is our initial glimpse inside the 2024 Toyota Tacoma. GM Authority and a number of other automotive publications have obtained what appear to be spy photos of the interior of the new 2024 Toyota Tacoma. It is covered with thick camouflage. But given the modernization and notable inspirations from the new Tundra, it appears to be as we expected. While using Toyota's latest infotainment system, the screen is smaller than the enormous 14-inch screen seen in the Tundra. In 2024, the TRD Pro might not be the best Tacoma trim. According to TfL's source, the Tacoma will also receive a new Trailhunter off-road trim that will likely cost more than the TRD Pro and be more geared toward camping and rock climbing. At SEMA, Toyota debuted the Trailhunter concept version of the Tundra and announced that several other cars would also receive the upgrade. The production version is anticipated to have more information next year. When will the Toyota Tacoma 2024 model debut? The fourth-generation Tacoma's arrival for the 2024 model year has been confirmed by Toyota. It is almost certain that this will result in a complete revelation anytime in 2023. Likewise, 2023 could be the year that the truck arrives at dealers. What platform will the Tacoma use in 2024? Toyota is revamping its truck lineup to use the new body-on-frame TNGA-F truck platform, which also serves as the foundation for the Lexus Lux 600, the new Toyota Sequoia, the new Toyota Tundra, and the new J300 Land Cruiser. A more compact variation of that for midsize automobiles is anticipated for the upcoming 4Runner and Tacoma. Is a coil-sprung rear suspension planned for the 2024 Toyota Tacoma? What looks to be the testing of the newest Tacoma was captured by the TfL team in Colorado. That assumption is supported by the Texas license plate, where Toyota's corporate headquarters is located, and the extensive camouflage. The fact that Toyota seems especially concerned with hiding the truck's rear suggests that the Tacoma will follow the Tundra's example and have a coil-sprung rear suspension, which will significantly enhance handling and ride quality. Will Toyota produce a Tacoma electric vehicle? In December, Toyota made some significant EV announcements. One of the concepts in those blueprints was an electric pickup, which ought to be driving about in the following few years. Toyota hasn't formally acknowledged that this concept is a Tacoma electric, but it resembles an electric Tacoma in many ways. According to Motor Trend, the electric Tacoma will be available in Q3 2024. Will the Toyota Tacoma's manual transmission be retained? Unknown, but we think the upcoming Tacoma will be skipping the manual. The Tacoma is one of only 2 pickup trucks, together with the Jeep Gladiator, that still provides a stick shift on the TRD grades, and the take rate for it is low. Toyota has been gradually eliminating manual gearboxes from its product lines. It would be tempting to do away with the manual to save money, especially if the Tacoma adds an electric or hybrid option. Will a new automatic transmission be available for the Toyota Tacoma? Yes. The current model's outdated 6-speed automatic has drawn a lot of flack. All of Tacoma's rivals have 8, 9, or 10-speed transmissions. Together with the engines, the transmission will be upgraded. The 2.4-liter inline-4 turbocharged engine and an 8-speed transmission are a decent match for the base model, according to Toyota. Both the Crown and the new Lexus RX, which might be used in the Tacoma with that engine, use a 6-speed transmission made by Toyota for the Hybrid Max. The iForce Max also has a 10-speed automatic transmission. Enhancements in towing capacity and load. The towing and load capacities of the new Toyota Tacoma should be enhanced. The current 2023 Tacoma has a towing capacity of 6,800 pounds and a carrying capacity of 1,685 pounds. In contrast, the 2023 Ford Ranger has a towing capacity of 7,500 pounds and a load capacity of 1,905 pounds. High hopes are held for the 2024 Tacoma Hybrid in this way, particularly with regard to the enhanced power. But whether Toyota will live up to the high expectations for this model remains to be seen. Whatever transpires, one thing is for certain: they want to leave a lasting impression. The price of the 2024 Toyota Tacoma Hybrid. The next 24 model of the Toyota Tacoma, one of today's most popular trucks, provides even more amenities. Does so more also imply a higher price? Even while we still don't know exactly what those features will be or how much they will cost, it's logical to infer that there might be a slight price hike compared to the Tacoma of 2023. Any further price increase, meanwhile, would be too great for some prospective purchases given that the beginning price is now close to $28,000. To be sure, no matter how it turns out, it will ultimately deliver outstanding value for its owners because Toyota consistently manages to provide an excellent balance of quality engineering and affordability with their automobiles. Reasons why customers choose the Toyota Tacoma over the Chevy Colorado. The Chevy Colorado and Ford Ranger are comparable to the Tacoma in many ways, which has so far outperformed its rivals. The V6 engine in the outgoing Chevy Colorado's base model has low torque ratings and demands a lot of effort from the driver. According to reports, the newest 2023 model performs significantly better. Both the Toyota and the Chevy Colorado are more comfortable. Colorado's harsh fabric seats lack padding in all the crucial places in contrast to the pleasantly padded seats of the regular pickup truck model. Likewise, the Chevy Colorado requires the seat adjustment capability that the luxury package exclusively offers. With that being said, which truck is right for you? Please share your thoughts in the comment box below. And if you've watched up to this point, thank you so much. For more videos about EVs, Toyota, Tesla, Ford, and the most recent auto news, please consider subscribing to Tech Addicts.